There are a few things you need to think about before deciding whether you need a new roof or repairs. Knowing your roof's age, how long you want to live in your house, and other factors might help you decide if it's time to replace your roof. When selecting whether to repair or replace your asphalt shingle roof, there are many factors to take into account, and the age of your roof is one of the most crucial ones. If you are unclear about the age of your roof, DreamHome can estimate for you how long it will last. The lifespan of 3-tab shingles in the lowest price range is 15 to 20 years. Architectural shingles of greater quality and weight may withstand winds of 130 miles per hour for up to many more years. Several indicators of an outdated roof include curling or buckling shingles, bald shingles. There are no shingles in some areas. Your roof is drooping and covered in moss. Blisters on the shingles. Excessive granules in the gutters. Make sure to request an inspection from DreamHome so we can help assess your roof. In several of the properties we've seen, the owners were informed that their roofs needed to be replaced even though they didn't need replacement. Some will sell you a roof whether you need it or not, no matter how old or how damaged your current roof is. Have your roof inspected for free by DreamHome if you want an honest answer to whether or not you need to replace your roof. If after our inspection everything appears to be in order, we would strongly advise that you enroll in a routine maintenance program where a professional climbs onto your roof at least once a year, if not twice. This will guarantee that your roof is used to its best potential. If you intend to sell your house in the near future and your roof is damaged or unsightly, it may hinder the sale or value. In this situation, replacing your roof or at a minimum applying the Roof Max Restoration Spray can be a great choice too. Your home will sell more quickly once you list it on the market thanks to the new roof's curb appeal. You should receive around 68% of the cost when you sell. Call DreamHome today to schedule your free inspection to determine the condition of your roof.